Wow.
It's great.
Big.
Have you been here for a basketball game before then?
I think I have. I think I may have been here for an NCAA thing. Hello, hello, hello. Big room. Big room, right? Hello. Hello, 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 I knew I to be here. Pretty cool. Right? Pretty cool. We're gonna get a stool up here, right? Did you guys hear about in Buffalo some pregnant lady gave birth? She just went to the show, but it was funny. Yeah.
See what you do to the lady.
I either impregnate them or I make them go into labor.
You make them immaculate concept right after the show.
That's big.
Yeah.
It's nice those box seats too, right?
Yeah, they're right on top of the action. Those box seats have a feel that they're.
Yeah, right. Like it's too far away.
Yeah.
Those are great box seats, and they get catering up there and everything. So, all right. So let's.
The clock, by the way. Would you prefer that it's say seated the way it is, or is it easier better? You say lying on its back like that.
I guess lying down's pretty good, right?
Because I know when you're here.
Yeah.
I'm just afraid of it.
No, that's great. Thanks. Okay, cool. Fun stuff, right, for a boy from Indiana. All right, there you go. And now I get to play for the Pacers. All right. There's Ted. Ted, say hi.
Hey, guys.
So, all right, so you probably run it down a million times, right? Here, let me just turn this on. Bye, everyone. Davenport tomorrow.